In this video lesson, I will explain to you what is market execution in Forex. On the right side, you have a chart with the gold against US dollar on 1 minute time frame, and below that is the current market balance on my account. On the left side, you have an article I have written on the blog with the explanation what is market execution in Forex. If you would like to read more details and also an example what is market execution, you can check the link with a link which will be below in the description. But on the right side, I will make a video for you to explain an example to give you what is market execution and also what you can expect and what are one of the problems with the market execution and why the market execution is also a good way to open the order. Inside the trading platform, currently I'm using MT4, or you can use also MT 5 or any other trading platform that your broker offers, and you click the new order button. In this case, I have clicked this button, or you can press quick button F9 to open this window. And inside this window, you can see on the left side, it is a tick chart with the current market price. On the right side, you have also the current market price, and you have a sell by market button and buy by market button. These two buttons open an order when you click on them. Sell by market is the way when you expect that the price will drop down in value so you can make money. The buy market is a way and also time when you expect that the price will move up from the current market price to make the money. Now, the market execution is something that is done when you click one of these buttons. When you click one of these buttons, you send a request to the broker server. He opens the order and sends you a message with confirmation at which price the order has been opened. Now, in this case, what you can see is that there is a message that the broker tells you, attention, the trade will be executed at market conditions. Difference with the requested price may be significant. Now, this message is a way how the broker protects himself from the problems that can arise. And one of those problems is when you have a market execution, which is very similar to the instant execution order, there is a time when order entry point does not open at desired price because brokers and liquid providers, its banks, execute the order at the price that is average and best available price at that time of the execution. What that means? That means when you see this market price and when you click, for example, sell by market, you would like to open the order at the market price, which is currently 27 or 28. But when you send a request, the broker processes it, the price changed on the market, the broker still processes this request, the market price changed, and then after that, the price has been changed. Also, the broker has been fulfilled your request and send you information. Oh, your order has been opened at the price 2331.54 instead 28, which we have seen before. So this is one of the issues. What could happen? And this is the message that tells what you can expect, which means when you send a request, the broker sometimes can take 1 to 3 seconds to fulfill your order and open the order at the market price, which is differently at that time. So this is a message how they protect themselves if that happens. The market execution is a way how to open the order, but that can be slightly different from the market price. The broker always tries to open your order at the price that you have requested, but sometimes because of issues and also the liquid providers, because also our broker, in this case this one, which is IC Markets, sends a request to the interbank market, which is where the banks are located, sends a request that we have sent to the broker, and when he receives the average price, he will be able to open that order. And that sometimes take 1 or 2 or more seconds. So this is why you have a different price compared to the one you have requested. Now there is also some kind of other issues, but let's see one example. In this case, when I click the sell by market button, it should open at the market price. I will try to say the same price to see will it open at the market price. Let's check this one. It is 82. Okay, let's check this one. And what you can see here is Just a minute, I need to try again. I'll tell you why. Now pay attention, we have a sell by market. It should open at this market price, not this one first, because it is also there is a bid and ask price on the market. When we click sell by market, it should open at this right side price, which is currently 51. Now what we can see here is 2330.46. Even though I have clicked the button to sell at the market price, which should be 51, we can see there is a price change in this one and the order that has been open. So this is the market conditions and also market execution, which is an order type that is open at the best price available currently on the market. And this is the one that the price has been. What is the problem with this way of opening an order? The problem is that we have also an issue if you are trading as a scalper. If you are a scalper and you are scalping, this means you would like to open a trade at the current market price because probably you're trading a bot or you are trading very fast and you would like to open the price at the price that is currently shown on the market. If the price changes, for example, for 5 pips, this can be also too much for you because it could also ruin your strategy. So this order should not be open at the price which is different from the current market price. So these are one of the disadvantages that you can experience with the market execution. Second, why it's very good to have a market execution? There is also advantages on this type of order, and that is, for example, if there is a volatility, which is very high volatility, the broker will activate your order even though there is a high volatility. And high volatility means that the price is jumping all the time, very fast, up and down, and that is mostly when the news are available on the market. And then instead of completely requoting you, that means sending you information that you need to send another request to open a new order, the broker will open the order at the average price. So it is better to open the price at any price than not opening the order at all. So this is one of the market execution which has its advantages compared to other order types, for example, like instant execution. So this is the way how the market works and also how the market execution works. If you would like to check more details what is market execution in Forex, you can check this link and also read the article how this works. You will see also explanations and also examples how this works on trading examples on the trading platform. You will see what I have done and also compared the price in changes in pips. So how much money would that be if you have a good price change or a bad price change? So this is also a very important information if you are a scalper and you are using very large lot sizes. So there is also market execution against you when you want to open an order and your order is not open at the desired price. Sometimes the price opens at the price that is far from your desired price, and that is volatility. I have explained when the news appears on the market. Now, after a while, the order is open with the worst entry point that you wanted in the first place. So sometimes it is better not opening the price at a different price, but that is something that you cannot influence when you click the sell or buy by market button. So something that is depending on the broker, and you could also find another broker that has faster execution of the order request from you if this is the biggest problem you have. In today's time, many brokers have very fast trading server, and when you send a request, the order has opened very quickly, just in an example as I have shown you right now. For example, if I click the buy by market right now, it is open immediately. But there is a slight price change, which in this case it is okay. The price is not jumping around, the volatility is not very high. So this is also very good. If you would like to check more details, you can also check the instant execution. For example, there is another article for different order type. If you would like to check that, feel free to read the article. So this is all for the market execution order in Forex. If you have any questions regarding the market execution, feel free to leave the comment below and I will try to answer the question as soon as possible. This is all in this video. See you next time and happy trading.